OldRoll app, so how to install the widget. So in this app, they have a really cool feature where you can actually invite a friend, Okay, so seems not here. So basically, you just have in here, then deliver. So here's, you just tap on deliver button and tap invite your friend, and then there is your code which you can just share, and then you can just tap and hold. So here is the widget. You can tap and hold to install the new widget from OldRoll. So here is the camera, OldRoll, and then yeah, here you have it. And then post. So here you can receive films from your friend. So you just install it, and then when your friend added you by invite code, you will receive the films, the photos to your home screens. It's quite cool. So yeah, pretty interesting approach. So yeah,